This person just made a mind-blowing case for getting a mortgage in Dominican Republic. Check this out. I recently shared that I closed on a mortgage to buy a property here in Punta Cana, and a lot of people lost their damn mind over the term and the idea of getting a mortgage and all of that. But a lot of those same people have concerns about some of the stuff in Dominican Republic, like title and whether or not the value is accurate for what you're getting. So what Guillermo here said, and I think was a great point, if you could read all of his comment, was this: a banking relationship gives you a partner to protect you against those things that everyone's afraid of. Banks make you get an appraisal. You pay for it, but the appraiser is approved by the bank. So they're going to give the bank the best appraisal, a conservative appraisal. And a bank is not going to give you any money unless they know that the title is clear and ready to go. So they're going to make sure that any issues with title that were there previously are cleared before they finance this property. The property we purchased, the next closest property that's comparable, is $200,000 more. And yet the appraisal came in just above what we're buying it for. So you can see the appraiser is making sure that the bank gets the most conservative appraisal possible. But that gave me confidence in saying, oh no, I know we got a good deal, because the bank, being conservative, priced it still above what we're paying for it. So while cash is king and buying it without a mortgage is always great, there are advantages to getting the bank involved. The appraisal to make sure that you're not getting screwed on price, and two, the title, making sure the title is set and done and there are no issues with it. Now, a lot of others were asking, like, why didn't you just pay cash or use a HELOC on your property in the U.S.? Well, we sold our property in the U.S. We made a good chunk on it. We took that and we put that down on the property here. We put down 40 to 45% of the purchase price, which is $200,000 below the next comp. So for those who are wondering why I didn't pay cash, I'm taking up a fund for the other half of the property. Send me some money and I'll go do exactly what you want. I'll pay cash for it. The other thing people keep talking about is ROI, like, you know, the mathematical return for the amount that I'm paying and for the loan and everything. But the ROI on this is the Christmas tree is up. I make memories with my family, my kids. Like, to me, that ROI is well beyond any financial ROI we get. We bought this for us. We got our dream home and our dream place for us. We're not worried so much about ROI, but hey, buying a house a couple $100,000 behind the next comp, not bad. I hope that helps. I thought this was a great perspective on why to get a mortgage. If for those that are concerned about those things in DR, a mortgage actually protects you. What do you think? Drop it down below.